Bonjour. Day 3. We're going for breakfast. Give it step. Oh. So the morning of day 3, it is, well, current time is 7:16. She was my girl. Disneyland Paris. Say hello.
My dad got me touched.
And now our train is arriving, so we're gonna prepare ourselves. It does. Okay, so Tara is the tour guide with Disney app on her phone, and she's gonna try and get us to the first ride. Where are we going first? You're the tour guide.
Yeah.
Anyways, have a go. Disney World.
I don't make my blood pressure go high because I use for everything.
So we have decided to go on the first ride, which is, and that's like 4 minutes away from the entrance, or 3 minutes now from the entrance. So
Since we have to do that.
Dara's leading the way. Let's go.
Coming out of your lungs. I want you to be coughing out your lungs. We might not be able to come on. But that's on my pocket. What if I got lungs?
Is this it?
No. You think I'm gonna go on that? That.
Buzz Lightyear.
So there's Buzz Lightyear and then there's hyperspace. Huh?
Hi, Disney.
Should we go to Hyperspace Mountain? You said we were going to. I don't know. Whoa, what's wrong with it? No, I didn't just like yes.
So this is the ride we're going on first, Hyperspace Mountain. Let's go. 20 minutes wait. Okay, not bad.
I think this is it.
I don't mind.
I'm there.
Ah.
That's complete. See how?
That's what they want to drive.
My Bugatti.
So what is it called? It's called, what is it called?
Autotopia.
Right, I can't even see what it's called.
That's not it.
That is it. That is it. That's the name. Oh, whatever. Oh well, we're here now. We go and drive. Look at my Ferrari. My Bugatti. Look, that's my Bugatti. Oh, my Lamborghini, my Aston Martin. This is what happens when you haven't got your license. Move, come on. Well, you have to wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me now. Wait for me. If it drop.
That thing that scared you out of nowhere. See how busy the place is.
Hello, folks. Welcome aboard. For your safety, please stay seated while the train is moving, keeping your hands and arms inside the train.
Mama. What's it? What's it? Welcome in. Welcome. What's it see? That's London Bridge, Mama. London Bridge is falling down. So don't put your hand inside. It's nice. Cinderella. Mama sits here.
a celebration. You never know who will drop in. Do it. Dismiss.
Et maintenant, laissez-vous emporter dans le monde fantastique des rêves. And now, Disney Dreams.
Bienvenue dans le monde des esprits farceurs et des eaux mystérieux. Welcome to the world of mischief makers and mysterious hosts. Mais maintenant, il est temps pour les méchants Disney de montrer leur puissance. It is time for the Disney villains to show their power. So let's get wicked!
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star. They won't kill my shine. I wanna know.